Did you know that over 463 million adults worldwide have diabetes? And that number is expected to increase to 700 million by 2045. That's a staggering statistic. And it's why in today's video, we'll be talking about a crucial aspect of managing diabetes: foods that can help you manage your blood sugar levels. Whether you're newly diagnosed or a longtime diabetic looking for some inspiration, this video is for you. Also, make sure you stay till the end of the video, because as a bonus, we'll be sharing some fascinating facts about diabetes and diabetics that you most likely aren't aware of. Welcome to Wellness Wonders. On this channel, we'll talk about getting healthy, utilizing both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by the Eastern medicine tenets. If this is something that appeals to you, be sure to stay around for more content like this. Ready? Let's go. First off, let's do definitions. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It happens when the body can't make enough insulin or use it correctly. There are two types of diabetes, and they both have distinct characteristics. Let's check them out. Type 1 diabetes is when your immune system turns on itself and attacks the cells in your pancreas responsible for producing insulin. Insulin is a hormone that regulates the amount of glucose in your blood, so when your body doesn't produce enough insulin, your blood sugar levels can become dangerously high. Although we don't know the exact cause of type 1 diabetes, researchers believe it's a combination of genetic and environmental factors, such as exposure to viruses or toxins. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes occurs when your body becomes resistant to insulin and your pancreas isn't able to produce enough insulin to compensate. Insulin resistance means that your cells don't respond as well to insulin, so glucose isn't absorbed into your cells properly. This leads to high levels of glucose in your blood, which can cause a range of health problems. Like type 1 diabetes, we don't know exactly what causes type 2 diabetes, but it's also linked to genetics and lifestyle factors, such as being overweight or inactive, and having a poor diet. There are many symptoms or warning signs of diabetes. Let us examine a few. The most common sign is being very thirsty and having to go to the bathroom a lot. You also might feel tired, and your vision might become blurry. You might notice that cuts or wounds on your skin take longer than usual to heal, and you may be more susceptible to infections. Additionally, you might feel a tingling or numbness in your hands or feet, almost like pins and needles. These symptoms can vary in severity and depend on the type of diabetes you have. For example, someone with type 1 diabetes might experience symptoms more suddenly and severely, whereas someone with type 2 diabetes might have more gradual symptoms. However, if you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to see a healthcare professional to get a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. It's also worth noting that some people might not experience any symptoms at all, especially in the early stages of diabetes. That's why it's crucial to get regular checkups and blood sugar tests, particularly if you have any risk factors for diabetes, such as a family history or a sedentary lifestyle. As is the case with many health conditions, diabetes has a range of complications, many of which can be quite severe. These complications can affect different parts of the body, including your heart, kidneys, nerves, eyes, and feet. One of the most common complications of diabetes is heart disease and stroke. Over time, high blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels and nerves that control your heart and blood vessels. Diabetes can also lead to kidney failure if left untreated. Your kidneys are in charge of filtering waste and extra fluid out of your body. If they don't work right, it can be very bad for you. Nerve damage is another complication of diabetes. Over time, high blood sugar levels can damage the nerves in your feet and legs, causing numbness, tingling, and pain. This can make it difficult to walk and even lead to infections or foot ulcers. Diabetes can also damage the blood vessels in your eyes, which can lead to vision problems and blindness. This is why it's so important to have regular eye exams if you have diabetes, even if you don't notice any vision problems. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. It would really help our small channel grow, so we can make even more videos for you. Now, managing diabetes can be challenging, but one effective way to control it is by making changes to your diet. A healthy and balanced diet can go a long ways in regulating blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of complications. If you're wondering what to eat, here are some options that can help you manage your diabetes. First, leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. Not only do they add variety and color to your plate, but they also contain essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium. Berries are another great option for diabetics, as they're low in sugar and high in fiber. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are not only tasty, but they also contain antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They can help control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. Plus, they make a great snack to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber and nutrients, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. By adding these to your diet, you could feel fuller for longer and keep your blood sugar levels steady. Lastly, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and also protect against heart disease. Not to mention, they're a delicious and healthy source of protein. In addition to dietary changes, there are several natural remedies that may help manage diabetes. One of the most popular natural remedies is cinnamon, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. You can easily incorporate cinnamon into your diet by adding it to your oatmeal or morning coffee. Another natural remedy that has been shown to be effective is apple cider vinegar. Simply adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drinking it before meals may help control blood sugar levels. Exercise is also important in managing diabetes. Finding a form of exercise that you enjoy, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, can help you stay motivated and on track. Aloe vera is another natural remedy that has been shown to help with diabetes. Drinking aloe vera juice or taking aloe vera supplements will do you a lot of good. Remember, managing diabetes is a comprehensive process that requires a combination of dietary changes, natural remedies, and medication as prescribed by a healthcare professional. By taking steps to manage the condition, diabetics can live long and healthy lives. Now on to the bonus section. Let's dive a little deeper into these fascinating facts about diabetes and diabetics. Firstly, it's incredible to think that diabetes has been around for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians were known for their medical knowledge, and they even described the symptoms of diabetes in hieroglyphics over 3,000 years ago. Back then, they didn't have the treatments and medications that we have today, so it's hard to imagine what life was like for people living with diabetes. And finally, let's talk about the moon phases. Some people with diabetes swear that their blood sugar levels are affected by the phases of the moon. While there's no scientific evidence to support this claim, it's still an interesting concept. So there you have it, some fascinating and even funny facts about diabetes. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content about your health. See you soon.